Okay, we're going to talk about something that sounds really technical, a lead funnel. And I'm going to show you how you can build one yourself in like the next few minutes. And listen, this isn't about just clicking a bunch of buttons. This is about building a real, direct connection to your audience. It's one of the most important skills you can have for any big idea.
I mean, be honest. Does that term lead funnel just sound kind of complicated? Maybe a little intimidating? Yeah, I get it. It's so easy to feel overwhelmed, like you need to be a marketing genius just to get started. But I promise you, that feeling is about to go away.
So let's just throw all that jargon out the window. Think of it like this. An opt-in funnel is just a digital handshake. That's it. You offer something valuable for free, and in return, someone says, "Hi, here's my email." It's not some crazy machine. It's literally just the beginning of a conversation.
All right, now for the good stuff. You want to know the secret that all the pros use? They know you have to get the structure right before you even think about making it look pretty. And this right here is that secret structure.
This is your blueprint. I'm not kidding. Almost every single high-performing landing page you've ever landed on follows this exact formula. First up, you have the hero section, which makes a big, powerful promise. Then, the benefits section, where you explain the amazing value they're going to get. And finally, the footer, which is all about building that crucial bit of trust. See? Simple, right?
Okay, so let's start building because this next part is where the real magic happens. Remember, we're not just moving boxes around on a screen. We're actually designing an emotional journey. Every single choice we make from here on out is about how we want our visitors to feel, not just what we want them to do. And smack dab in the middle of that journey is the form. This is the absolute heart of the page. This is the moment of that handshake, the core of the whole thing. It's where a person decides, yeah, I want to connect with you. So we have to make this moment feel totally effortless, and more importantly, exciting.
And here's a perfect example of how we do that. Just look at the difference here. The word submit feels like work, right? It feels like you're giving something up. But get instant access? That feels like a gift. It promises an immediate reward. You're not just asking them for information, you're giving them a key to something awesome. That tiny shift in language is absolutely huge.
And hey, you do not need to be a professional designer to pull this off. Your only goal is clarity. Just pick one of two paths, either a dark background with light text or a light background with dark text. Then, make your button a bright, fun, contrasting color so it just pops off the page. Seriously, that's it.
Okay, so we've built pieces, we've got our beautiful landing page, and we have our thank you page. But right now, they're just two separate pages floating around in cyberspace. They're not connected. If someone fills out the form, nothing happens. It's a total cliffhanger.
But now we get to the big aha moment. This is where we stop building pages and start building a real automated journey. This is the one tiny step that makes the entire machine whir to life. So you ready for the magic trick? You ready to see how we tie this whole thing together and turn those two pages into one smooth, seamless experience? And believe it or not, this is it. It's this simple. You just go back to that form on your main opt-in page, you click into the settings, and you tell it one thing. After someone clicks that awesome button, send them to the thank you page. Boom. Done. The whole journey is now automated. It's really that easy.
So, let's talk about the payoff here, because what you just did is so much bigger than just making a couple of web pages. You've actually built an asset. You've built a growth machine that's going to work for you.
I really want this to sink in for a second. What you've made isn't static. It's a living, breathing, automated system. It's designed to start conversations and deliver value for you without you having to be there at all.
And this machine, it doesn't sleep. It doesn't take breaks. It works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, connecting with people, growing your audience, even while you're sleeping or, out living your life. Now that is an incredible feeling of freedom.
So there's only one thing left to do. It's time to take a well-deserved victory lap. Go to the live page and go through the funnel yourself. Be your own first visitor. This isn't just about checking for typos. It's about feeling the experience. It's about seeing your creation in action, exactly like your audience will. And there you have it. The machine is built. The engine is running. The real fun is just getting started. And now the only question left to ask is, what incredible value are you going to share with the world?